Along with the Tegile reports, there are also orchestration tasks available as part of this connector. In my demo instance, what I'll do is I'll go to policies, I'll go to orchestration, and this is the place where you can create different workflows into UCS director and you can automate different tasks. Under my workflows, I'll click on add to start creating a new workflow item. I'll need to fill in a few fields like the workflow name. For this, I'll call this demo underscore workflow. I'll place this into a new folder. I'll call this Tegile storage workflows. Click next. Skip the user input and skip the user outputs and click on submit. And this will open up my workflow into the workflow designer window. Now in Cisco UCS director, you can create all of these different workflows inside this workflow designer by choosing the tasks that you want to use and dragging them across into the designer and connecting them together. For the Tegile tasks, I'll expand this category for open automation tasks. I'll click on experimental, expand the Tegile connector category, and in this list you can see I can see all of these sample tasks available. I can create an initiator group, create a new LUN, or create a LUN snapshot. And if I want to use any of these tasks, what I'll do is I'll just select it and drag it into my workflow designer. I can create a workflow, connect multiple tasks together, and automate my different operations.